Hello everyone, Marcio again. So I'm here with the EYTSE P60 audio amplifier. They sent me one to test, and I really like it. Uh, um, it's very interesting. It has, you see the outputs are, you can use your banana plugs in the output, and as input it has Bluetooth and RCA cables. It comes with the cables in the box. You can see here it comes with a power cable. There is a small transformer to be used, so already provided. A Bluetooth antenna, and it comes with the stereo 2 RCA cable. What's great because a lot of those products don't come with this. So here, the way it works is it has a switch here that you can pick from Bluetooth, RCA, or off. There's a small LED here to show the connection as bass, treble, and volume. The design is really nice. Let me stop the tracking. The design is really nice. As you can see here, it has a transparent cover, and inside you have some LED, blue LED lights. You can switch on and off those lights in a small button on the back here, where you can also reset the Bluetooth. You can ampere your Bluetooth device. The touch is really nice. It doesn't get marks or finger marks on it, and it's really nice design. Is stored, has 20 volt to, it accepts up to 48 volt power adapter. So it's simple, well designed. The it's really nice to see with the light, with the LED in the dark. I really like the device. I made some. I'll show now the tests I made. I made a test already. I did a test. It comes also with a manual that's pretty good in Chinese and in English. Um, and the nice thing is because of this RCA, the button, you can switch from one to another really easy. Something that bothers me in the ones with the soft button or without an option to turn off the Bluetooth is that sometimes I don't want to use the Bluetooth, but my phone connects to the device, and then I need to unpair my phone from the device because I don't have an option like a switch. Some of the amplifiers have this. So this is a 300 watt per channel, um, and it works really well. I'll show the test now. I made a test. It's all connected, and I'll show the light also in the test. I really enjoy this amplifier. I recommend for you. It's not too tall, so if you want, if you don't have much space, you can have this over another above another device. And yeah, that's it. It's great. Check the test now. Bye. So I'm back here now with everything connected. I'm using the Starfavor speakers that I like them. They look really cool, and this bronze color on the speakers, I think it's really nice, as you can see here. So let's take a look on the EYTSE P60 now. That's the one we are talking about. So this guy sounds amazing. I put some music to play here. You know, I can't put the musics to play. I can make some tests. I test the stereos. Look, the LED. It looks really nice. I test the stereo. The sound is amazing. It's really great. It's powerful. And I'm using the banana plugs and Bluetooth to test. I really like it. The volume is great. It's really powerful. The treble and bass works well. The music was clear. I put some clarinets to play, and the sound is clear and amazing. So I really, and the LED is a really nice touch. I think at night on my rack with my equipment, will be nice to see this there. I really recommend this. I think you should give a try. I see it's a good size, good looking, and it's sturdy. The touch is really nice. It's soft. I never saw this before because normally the metal is a cold touch, right? But this is some kind of they make a treatment here that's it's nice to the touch, it's like a fabric. I don't know what they did, but it's really cool to touch, and it's amazing, right? There are some other options here in Amazon, but and in other stores, but I really enjoying this one, and I think they invested in the how visual looks like, and I like it. It's very powerful, and I like that it's a metal case. Will dissipate the heat really easy, and yeah, I know now they have a discount coupon on Amazon, and I don't want to say how much I saw there because this may change over time, but right now they do. So yeah, I think it's a great moment if you want to find a good stereo amp for your house or your patio or your audio system, right? This is a great option. I will put something to play. Hope you enjoyed the video. EYTSE P60 TPA 3255 stereo amplifier, Class D, works really well. It's not hot at all. Metal and stored case. You have stereo RCA and Bluetooth. Adjust for treble, bass, and volume. Looks great. Give a try. Bye.